How to check your Ford wrench when it's misfiring. The simple things or the things that can cause it to make misfirings as follows. One, when your fuel pump is low or your filter is very bad. Another thing, if your tank is very dirty, it can cause it of misfiring. So, like this one, we are working on it now. The car is misfiring. We have loosed the nozzles, and look at what we find out in this nozzle. This is the hole of the nozzle. The nozzle is blocked. It's not supposed to be like that. Please, the nozzle pipe is dirty inside. It's blocked. This is the nozzle. So what we do now is to service it and replace it. This is dirty. That is causing the motor to make misfiring. So we are going to fix it now, and everything concerning the motor will be okay. See you.